everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make canoas de Maduro. So you know Maduros are very sweet. The yellow plantain is a sweet plantain, and what I love about this is that we're going to stuff it with all the salty goodness and hot sauce that we love. So I'm going to show you how I make mine, and today I used ground turkey with like jalapeno, cheese. And what I love about this is that you can literally add whatever toppings that you love. So whatever you have in your fridge, whatever you want to like throw in together, you just want to balance the sweetness with the saltiness. And it's just so good. We literally devoured this. So let's get started. All right, and here's what the dish is going to look like at the end. Let's go through our ingredient list. You're going to need yellow plantains, ground turkey or beef, queso fresco, onion, avocado, jalapeno, cilantro, and limes. First, we're gonna slice our yellow plantain right down the middle where the curve goes in, and you're gonna use the backside of the knife to gently lift it up because you wanna get a little room in there and a little air so that it can cook throughout the middle. You're gonna wrap these in foil and put them in your air fryer for 20 minutes at 350 to 400 degrees. While the maduros are in the air fryer, we're gonna get started and start cooking our ground turkey. I always like to cook it in butter just to give it a little extra flavor from the fat of the butter, just because ground turkey is a little bland. So my turkey has been seasoned overnight with loaisa's adobo, garlic powders, black pepper, but I'm gonna add a little more salt here, red pepper flakes, mix it all up in there, and I literally stand here until this meat is cooked. So I'm gonna keep chopping it up, mixing it around. I don't like huge chunks, so I'm just gonna continue doing this until it's ready. And make sure your ground turkey cooks well. You do not want it to be pink in the middle. It needs to be well done. So while that simmers, let's go ahead and start on our vegetables. We are going to mince all our ingredients, starting with the red onion. We're gonna mince it just because these are the toppings to our maduro. We don't want like huge chunks of red onion or cilantro. We want everything to be finely minced, so it's just really nice small bites. So let's cut our red onions, the cilantro, the avocado, your jalapenos. Now that this is ready, we're gonna open it a little bit more and spread it apart so that we can really fill it up with the ground turkey on the bottom and all our delicious toppings. Ooh, if it's hot, y'all, be careful. So first we're gonna add the ground turkey on the bottom, and then the avocado, and then the jalapeno slices, your red onions, your queso fresco, cilantro. Move that to the side and you're ready with that. So we like to add a little extra toppings on the side of our plate, so when we're making a mess and chopping this up, you can keep on picking more. And that's it. We added a sauce to the side and voila, enjoy.